Yo, what's up? Broncogonia. Bike check for you boys. Let's go. I got kink bar ends. Black. Very nice, very sturdy. Great way to stay in shape. ODI long necks. Black. I like nice and worn out. Good for bar spins. S&M hotter bars. Non-rise, 27 wide. Cut them to my length. I like them. Then I got fit top load stem with hollow bolts. Kind of stupid. One of them broke already. Whatever. Got a premium top cap. Nice and tall. I like it. Then I got fit Aiken 3 forks. 3 forks. I got Odyssey Hazard Light. Oh, Hazard Light attached or laced to Eclad Pulse V2 hub and fit tires. TA, I'm pretty sure. 2.3. They're nice. And I got some salt pegs for them. Great way to stay in shape. With the People Class frame. I like it a lot in the raw. Got some stickers on it. It's nice. Moving on to my cranks. Fit cranks. Oh, wait, I'm getting a call. It's just my buddy. Yo, Stevie, what's up? Yeah, man, next week, right? I already booked my flight. Yeah, I know. 5 bar El Toro? Okay, I'll fake you bar 8. Okay, weird, I'll see you there, man. Later. My boy. Okay. Fit cranks. Odyssey Twisteds. Nice and grippy. If you don't leave them ever. Sunday. Knox. Knox Sprocket. 28 tooth. I got a chain my buddy gave me. Brabelaire. Hashtag. I don't even know what kind of bottom bracket I have. It moves. I like it. I got a Duo C post with what is this? United seat, fat seat. It's nice. Same tire on the back. I got a Cinema 333 rim in the back. Stock hub, Cinema 333, and same pegs. I think that's it. Later, boys.